Welcome to Auto Profit Traders. I'm Alpha One, and today we're breaking down the basics of binary options trading for beginners. If you're overwhelmed by complicated strategies, this video will simplify everything and give you a practical, step-by-step approach to start trading profitably. We'll cover setting goals, managing emotions, and building a repeatable process anyone can follow. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about building a solid foundation for consistent results. To follow along, sign up for Pocket Option using the link below. It's the platform I recommend for all beginners. Let's dive in and start your trading journey the right way. Before you place a single trade, set a clear, realistic daily goal. Without a goal, you're just gambling. Decide exactly what you want to achieve, like a $50 profit or a 5% return. Write it down. This creates a psychological contract and gives you a clear stopping point. Consistency is key. Trading isn't about hitting home runs, it's about steady, small wins that add up over time. When you hit your goal, stop trading for the day. Don't get greedy or chase more profits. This discipline protects your gains and keeps your emotions in check. Your daily goal helps manage expectations and builds the habits needed for long-term success. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Define your finish line before you start. Whether it's a dollar amount or a percentage, stick to it. This is what separates disciplined traders from gamblers. Set your goal, write it down, and make it your rule. That's your first step to profitable trading. Next, always trade with the trend. Never against it. Think of the trend as a river. It's much easier to go with the flow than to fight the current. Beginners often try to predict reversals and end up losing. Instead, identify the dominant direction on higher time frames. Zoom out on your chart. Look at the last hour or 4 hours. Is the price generally moving up or down? If it's an uptrend, look for buy trades. If it's a downtrend, look for sell trades. Align your trades with the bigger momentum for higher win rates. Let the big players move the market. Your job is to ride along, not stand in their way. Before every trade, ask, am I trading with the trend? This simple habit will dramatically improve your results. Don't overcomplicate it, just follow the dominant direction. Analyze the bigger picture before every session. Filter out noise and focus on high probability setups. Trading with the trend is your secret weapon. Make it your default approach. Now let's talk about when to enter a trade. Keep it simple. Don't overload your charts with indicators. Focus on mastering support and resistance levels. These are the key price points where the market tends to reverse or break out. Support is where price bounces up. Resistance is where it gets pushed down. Identify these levels on your chart and watch how price reacts. In an uptrend, look for buy trades at support. In a downtrend, look for sell trades at resistance. Combine trend direction with these levels for high probability entries. Watch for breakouts. When price pushes through a strong level, it often signals momentum. Mark major levels with simple lines and wait for price to come to you. Don't chase trades. Be patient and let the best setups appear. This approach is logical, repeatable, and effective. You don't need to predict the future, just react to what the market is doing at key points. Simplicity beats complexity, especially for beginners. Focus on the basics and you'll avoid analysis paralysis. Master support, resistance, and trend for a robust trading plan. Risk management is the most important part of trading. Protect your capital above all else. Never risk more than 1 to 3% of your account on a single trade. Going all in is financial suicide. Even a string of losses won't wipe you out if you keep your risk small. If you lose 5 trades at 2% risk, you're only down 10%. You can recover. Professionals lose small and win big over time. Think in percentages, not dollars. This keeps your emotions in check and your account safe. Losing trades are part of the game. Even the best traders don't win every time. Your job is to survive losing streaks and stay in the game. Before every trade, calculate your risk and stick to it. No exceptions. This discipline is what separates winners from losers. Protect your capital and profits will follow. Don't let a single trade ruin your account. Make risk management your top priority. Set your risk, Stick to it and never deviate. That's how you stay in the game and grow your account. Mastering your emotions is the final challenge. Fear, greed, and frustration destroy more traders than bad strategies ever will. Avoid revenge trading after a loss. Don't chase your money or double your risk. Don't get overconfident after a win. Stick to your plan, not your feelings. The best traders follow their rules like robots, no matter what. If you feel emotional, step away from your screen and reset. Each trade is independent. The last result doesn't affect the next. Trust your system and focus on long-term results, not single trades. There will be losing days and weeks. Accept it and stay disciplined. Make a commitment to your plan and never break your rules. Don't increase your trade size after a win or loss unless it's part of your strategy. Execute with calm, consistent precision. If you control your emotions, you'll control your results. That's the final step to becoming a consistently profitable trader. Those are the 5 pillars of profitable binary options trading. Set clear goals, trade with the trend, use simple confirmations, manage your risk, and keep emotions out of your decisions. This disciplined process is how I grow small accounts into large ones, and you can too. Start now. Create your free pocket option account using the link below. Practice on demo, and commit to the process. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more trading tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.